सो हेलो गाइस, आज हम करने वाले हैं वर्क ऑन एन एरे रिवर्सल, बट इट इज गोइंग टू बी क्वाइट easy and also quite time and energy saving, memory saving. So let's see how it goes. So this is the array which is starting from 19 and ending at 25, not in order. So we have to arrange it in reverse order. So let's see what we can do. So first we need to take two variables. Int I equals to what should I take it as? 0 and j. Okay, I think it can be separated with a comma, not with a comma. Let's try this. Length, arr dot length. We need to take it to the last. Like one array should be starting from the beginning, and one array should be starting from the end. So this is the array elements from where we will be starting. And now let's see what we can do. We can add a while condition. While this method is actually very useful in like time complexity problems. So it is quite easy to implement, but quite difficult to understand the logic. So let me first write it down and then I'll explain the logic. Well, I is less than j. So over here we will be doing our. So first we will highlight this. We have to increase I and we have to decrease j. So this is done. So now we will take another variable, let temp, temporary variable is equal to uh, arr at I. I index element would be this. Then let, okay, not let, then it will be because it is already defined. Arr at I, I index should be equal to arr at j index. So this has been assigned. And then one last thing, arr at j should be equal to temp. So this is the basic logic. If you don't understand this logic, I'll explain it. Just let me print it in the console. Uh, ARR. We saved it. Now let me refresh the page. So it started from 25 and ended in 19. Let me reduce the length. It started from 29, 25 and ended in 69. See, but over here the order is in reverse. So now I'll try to explain what I did right now. So basically in the starting we created two pointers, one at the beginning of the array and one at the end of the array. And then these pointers both started from, one started from the end and one started from the beginning. Then as they came to the center, which is like this, if I is less than j, so when this condition is satisfied, the pointers stopped swapping. So over here swapping method, this basically is a swapping uh, code for swapping the array of two numbers, swapping two numbers. So initially the temp we created, and then the ARRI which was in the starting was stored in the temporary variable, and then array at I, which was at the starting, took the value of the end of the array, and this similarly whatever value was at the end of the array took the starting value. So that is why this 25 got replaced with 69, swapped with 69, not replaced. So it became something like this in the first go. In the first iteration, it looked like this: 25, 78, 4, and 69. So in the first go, it looked like this. Then in the second go, these two got swapped. So like this became 78 and this became 4. So this is the end result which we got. So this is all I need to explain. I could explain you. I hope I could explain you guys what just happened. Also, this is my first attempt in explaining it in English. Let me know if you want me to continue in English or Hindi. Was good enough. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.